What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. I am super encouraged to finally be able to sit down and make this video because we're taking sort of a twist in our Discord where, like on our YouTube channel, almost everybody is an AMC shareholder. Same thing in the Discord. But we are making a little shift there to where we've been studying IPOs. Now, recently IPOs have became famous because of HKD, all right, and it's run up to, what was it, $2,500, and it was like, oh, if HKD can do it, then AMC can do it, and yes, it can, but we're talking about two different things going on here, okay? In this video, what I want to focus on is entry points and exit points, and how people that are invested in AMC have brought that mindset over to the IPO market, and it's not going to work for you. You're going to consistently lose money, all right, if you stay with the AMC mindset. Now, what is the AMC mindset? AMC mindset is simply buy and hold, all right, and that strategy works in a squeeze play. But this is not a squeeze play. IPO investing is a get in, get up, get out play. Simple as that. Now, there are some, like Blight, for example. If you would have held Blight for 28 days from its opening, that's when they started having their run up. And from the bottom, from the initial offering to the bottom and up to the top of the run up was a $400 run. Very impressive. But you would have had to have held it for 28 days. And normally, that's not an IPO play. An IPO play occurs within the first day of the offering coming public, and you have a spike up, or within 3 to 5 days. So basically, people can either day trade an IPO or they can swing trade it. But the difference is, AMC breaks all the rules, but people want to bring it over there. And if you continue to hold after you have a massive 400% gain, and you're just going to watch it all disappear. All right, like right here with Starbucks. Now, I was down with Starbucks. And if you would have played Starbucks like an IPO play, instead of an AMC play of buying and holding, then you would not be bag holding right now. See, that you have to understand that if you're gonna play in the IPO game, you either have to play it as a day trade, from you're looking for that gap up in the opening, or you're going to use it as a swing trade, and it's going to be there for 3 to 5 days, but you're not really interested in. I'm not looking to tie my money up that long, number one. And number two is right here on IPOscoops.com. You can see that the last 100 IPOs to now, they've taken the last 100 IPOs, 25 have been up, 74 have been down, and one is unchanged. So what this tells me is the longer I hold the IPO, the 75% chance it'll turn into a loser. So I don't want to take that chance. So I get out of the IPOs mostly at their initial offering. Now, let's take a look at a lower time frame, and let me show y'all about how to set your exit point. When the IPO, such as Starbucks, for example, who crashed, when they come public, we're waiting. Those that are in pre-order, we're waiting, and we're holding our breaths. And what we're doing is we're waiting to be able to put our long positions. All right? And what this does, this long position chart right here, or indicator that I can put right here, tells me how much profit I'm looking for and what I would be willing to lose if the stock was to fall instead of go up. All right? So now, as soon as the stock came public, I jumped in right here. Now, it had a run up. See the second 10-minute candle? it ran up to here. So what I would have done was, now my percentage that I'm looking for is increasing, and I'm also increasing my stop loss to where now if the stock falls to this level, I will sell. But I'm now looking for it to get as high as this. And if it moves on a little more, I just keep scooting this up as I go, as the stock continues to rise. Now, at any time the stock decides to go in reverse and fall, once it hit my stop loss right there, I would sell out, and I will have made all of this profit right here. I would have made all that, a 300% profit, just by waiting on it to come on, getting ready for what I want to take for a profit. If it struggles, when it gets there, I'll go ahead and take it. If it falls, I'll go ahead and sell it. It's as simple as that. But if you're going to be successful in IPO trading, you have to have an exit point. That if the stock falls to a specific point, you're willing to sell. And you stick by that, because your trading rules are ride or die to your portfolio. They're either going to ride it to the top and you're going to create great wealth, or if you don't stick to your trading rules, I mean, this happens to you. Over here on Jay-Z today, because people are talking about their bag holders. All right. Now here we are on Jay-Z on 10-minute time frame. All right. This is where it came public. So the moment that it opened way up here, and I was mad. But there's where I'm taking profit, and there's where I'm gonna set a stop loss right there. So my stop loss, I can get me a little line and say if the stock falls below that, I'm selling. And I will end up making 159% profit, people. But what happened was, people are expecting every IPO to be a HKD, and they're waiting for to take the profits way the hell up here into the thousands, because but that's not how it works, people. Those are so few and far between. Remember the screenshot I just showed you here. 74 of the last 100 IPOs are underwater right now. So I don't keep them long term. Now, also over here on the Discord, it's free to join. Anybody can join. Just have a nice attitude with everybody while you're here, because we're like family. All right. We got an IPO channel, IPO calendar, pre-order IPO brokers, IPO strategies, upcoming IPOs, lists all of them, and so forth. Also, I have an IPO newsletter that I've put together that tells you the name of the IPO, the ticker, the day it's coming out, how many shares, about the company, the main underwriter, and the past opening performance. In this particular case, this IPO has a 4-2-0 win rate. All right. In the last 6 trades, it's had 4 winners and 2 have broke even. So I like this underwriter. Then I show you the 3-day performance, what happens. It was 4-2, now it's 4, and you've lost now from a tie to a loss. So you see that. In the newsletter, I got the underwriter's privileges, what kind of warrants it's going to have, and any other special privilege that the underwriters are going to have in the IPO, so we can make a better informed decision on whether the IPO is going to be worth it or not. Just a little something I'm doing for the Discord people. It's free too, so y'all just come on over and join the Discord. Links down below. Like I said, we got one rule, and that's to respect one another. To end this video, I just want to say again that if you're an AMC shareholder and you're trying to do IPOs, you're going to have to learn that the purpose of IPO investing is to make profit, that you don't hold these stocks for the long term. You got a 75% chance that it's going to be a loser. With that, Love y'all. Be blessed. I'll do some more IPO videos coming up. See you in the next one.